Callous, brutal and senseless. That's how a Supreme Court judge described the stabbing murder of a 19-year-old Mudgee woman. Michelle Morrissey was killed in her home 2 years ago. Her killer will spend at least 16.5 years in jail. Adrian Rochella was in court.
Justice McCallum detailed the events of what she called a brutal and extensive crime. 18-year-old Luke Cotterill attacked 19-year-old Michelle Morrissey in her Mudgee home. She was stabbed 27 times in her neck, face and chest. She was also kicked and punched. Cotterill admitted to the murder, saying he'd been casing her house to rob it. Justice McCallum called his actions callous, brutal and terrifying. She said it was a sustained and ferocious attack with both blunt force and a knife. And Ms Morrissey died in a state of pain and absolute terror. Her family was in court for today's sentencing, as was Cotterill's family. His mother made this brief comment.
Yes, I'm his mum, and yes, I do love him, and I always will. But he has been sentenced for the crime. But it's the rest of my family that I'm worried about, because we're all being judged for a crime that he did. We're not responsible for his actions. It's up to the judge what he gets, and I'm quite happy with whatever she decides, because he's committed it, well, and he's to be...
Cotterill was also shot by corrective service officers when he tried to escape from a prison van. He was hit 3 times in the arm, pelvic region and leg before being recaptured. Cotterill was sentenced for both the murder and attempted escape. He was given a 22-year jail term with a minimum of 16.5 years. He'll be eligible for release in 2026.
Adrian Rochella there.